Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for your resume. First, let's explore how Gemini can kickstart your resume creation process. You can ask it to brainstorm keywords specific to your desired role, ensuring your resume is optimized for applicant tracking systems. Gemini also provides powerful action verbs to make your accomplishments stand out. This initial step helps you build a strong foundation, ensuring your resume effectively communicates your value to potential employers. Next, Gemini can assist in crafting compelling content for your resume. You can provide it with your work experience and ask it to generate achievement-oriented bullet points, focusing on quantifiable results. It helps refine your existing descriptions, making them more concise and impactful. Gemini can also offer guidance on structuring various sections, like your summary or experience, ensuring a professional and easy-to-read layout. This step transforms raw information into a polished narrative. Now, let's talk about tailoring your resume for maximum impact. Gemini can help you analyze a job description and suggest specific modifications to your resume, ensuring it directly addresses the employer's needs. It can also highlight any potential gaps in your experience or skills compared to the job requirements. This targeted approach significantly increases your chances of getting noticed, demonstrating a clear fit for the position you are applying for. Finally, Gemini is an excellent tool for proofreading and enhancing your resume. You can submit your complete resume for a thorough review, catching any grammatical errors, typos, or awkward phrasing. It provides suggestions for improving readability and ensuring a professional tone. Additionally, Gemini can offer advice on formatting and visual presentation, helping your resume make a strong first impression. This final check ensures your document is flawless and impactful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.